Sleepwalking, known in the medical world as somnambulism, has long fascinated scientists and laypeople alike. Often depicted humorously in films and cartoons, the reality of sleepwalking can be a bit more complex and at times even frightening. In this deep dive, we'll explore the latest scientific findings on sleepwalking, what triggers it, and strategies to prevent it. The science of sleepwalking. Sleepwalking typically occurs during the deepest stages of non-REM sleep, usually in the first third of the night. People in this state can perform a range of activities, from simple, like sitting up in bed or walking to the bathroom, to more complex actions like cooking or even driving. However, they remain asleep throughout and often have no memory of their actions. Scientists believe sleepwalking results from the brain being in a transitional state between deep sleep and wakefulness. This in-between state enables motor functions without conscious awareness or memory. Research is ongoing to uncover the neurological and genetic factors behind this phenomenon. Causes and triggers. Several factors can contribute to sleepwalking. Some are genetic. If a close family member sleepwalks, you're more likely to do so as well. Environmental triggers also play a role, including lack of sleep, irregular sleep schedules, stress, alcohol, and certain medications. Interestingly, some health conditions can trigger sleepwalking, including sleep apnea, nighttime seizures, and certain mental health disorders. Researchers are studying these connections to understand better why and how they lead to sleepwalking. Sleepwalking and brain activity. The exact brain activity during sleepwalking remains a mystery, but cutting-edge research is beginning to shed light. One promising line of research involves neuroimaging technologies like EEG and fMRI. Scientists use these tools to study brain activity during sleepwalking episodes, hoping to pinpoint the areas of the brain responsible. Early findings suggest that during sleepwalking, there's increased activity in the areas of the brain associated with movement and decreased activity in the areas responsible for decision-making and memory. This might explain why sleepwalkers can perform complex tasks while unaware of their actions. Prevention and management. If sleepwalking is causing distress or potential harm, several strategies can help manage the condition. Creating a safe sleep environment is crucial. This can mean removing obstacles from the bedroom, securing windows and doors, or even using alarms that sound when the sleepwalker gets out of bed. Healthier sleep habits also help. Regular sleep schedules, adequate sleep time, and stress reduction techniques can minimize the likelihood of sleepwalking. Certain medications can be effective too, but these are usually a last resort due to potential side effects. Behavioral therapies, such as anticipatory awakenings or hypnosis, have shown promise. With anticipatory awakenings, the sleepwalker is gently awakened before the usual time of the sleepwalking incidents, thereby disrupting the sleep cycle that leads to sleepwalking. Sleepwalking remains a fascinating and complex phenomenon. The more we learn about it, the better we can manage this condition and ensure a safe night's sleep for those affected. Continued research promises to unravel more about the mysteries of the sleeping brain and its wanderings. As we gain a deeper understanding of the brain and its functions, we get closer to turning the mysteries of sleepwalking into known science.